Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me for a virtual tour of the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. My name is Alex Starman and I am a meteorologist here at the Weather Service in Mount Holly. Since we've not been able to do in-person office tours over the past year and a half or so, we're going to take you on a brief virtual tour of our office. We'll start with a few quick informational slides and then take a walk around the building. So what is the National Weather Service? The National Weather Service provides weather, water, and climate data, forecasts, and warnings for the protection of life and property and enhancement of the national economy. We provide forecasts and hazardous weather watches, warnings, and advisories to the public and our partners, including emergency management, Department of Transportation agencies, local and state governments, as well as local media outlets, among others. We provide impact-based decision support services to our core partners who are responsible for public safety. The National Weather Service employs about 5,000 employees nationwide, and the National Weather Service is a taxpayer-funded agency under the Department of Commerce's National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA. The National Weather Service performs its mission through 122 different weather forecast offices, just like the one you are about to tour, in addition to a number of national and regional centers, all of which cover 50 states and all U.S. territories. These include the Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma, pictured here, the Weather Prediction Center in College Park, Maryland, the National Hurricane Center in Miami, Florida, and several river forecast centers just like the one in State College, Pennsylvania, pictured here, just to name a few, all of which are open 24/7, 365. So now on to the tour of our office. The Mount Holly Weather Forecast Office staff includes 14 forecasters, 4 management positions, 3 specialized program leaders, 3 electronics technicians, and 1 administrative assistant. We have 3 primary shifts, the day shift, the evening shift, and the midnight shift, with generally 2 to 3 people on shift at all times, but more are called in for extra assistance during high-impact weather conditions such as severe weather, flooding, winter storms, tropical systems, etc. We have plenty of office space for accommodating our non-operational duties such as training and research activities, including a conference room, cubicles, and management offices. This is our break room, which is also a tornado shelter in case we need to take shelter from a tornado. Now we're moving to our operations area, which is where all the magic really happens. The ops floor has 7 live workstations, each equipped with an Advanced Weather Interactive Processing System computer, or AWIPS, where most of the forecast and product work is done, and a Windows-based PC where we can view email, social media platforms, and other operations-related data on the internet, or work on training and research projects during quiet weather periods. All 7 workstations have the same capability and functionality. The operations area also has a few situational awareness displays which keep forecasters aware of the current conditions during high-impact weather events. Our office covers portions of 4 states, including New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Delaware, Maryland, which includes 33 counties and 8 marine zones. We make forecasts for temperature, winds, precipitation, marine conditions, fire weather, and many other parameters out to 7 days. We issue hazardous weather watches, warnings, and advisories through AWIPS based on our forecasts and observational data such as radar, satellite, and surface measurements. We also issue specialized aviation forecasts for 8 airports in the area. This is a look at the AWIPS and communications server room. Lastly, we'll head through one of our training rooms before finishing up the tour of the main office. This computer is off the network and allows us to train on data from past weather events without any products being sent out to the world. And now we'll head back outside. Adjacent to the Weather Forecast Office is the Electronic Shop and Storage Building, locally referred to as the Mount Holly West Building. Our office is also responsible for maintaining observation equipment in the field to support our operations and our mission. This includes the Automated Surface Observing Systems, or ASOS, and the Fort Dix Weather Surveillance Radar. Our electronics technicians routinely maintain and repair this equipment as needed. This concludes the virtual tour of the National Weather Service Mount Holly Weather Forecast Office. You can find the latest weather forecasts and other information available on our website at weather.gov/phi. Thank you for watching.